Hi, I'm Miriam. Welcome to our first Angie Code lesson. In these lessons, we're going to go through the fundamentals of creating with Angie, even if you've never written a prompt before. By the end of these lessons, you'll be confidently creating your own assets for WordPress. AI is changing the way we work, create, and communicate, and building WordPress websites is no exception. Meet Angie's first capability, Angie Code, an AI-powered WordPress developer at your side that empowers you to create production-ready WordPress assets in minutes. This means you can create your own custom widgets, customize your WordPress admin, create custom post types, interactive website experiences, and even functional apps. There are no limits to your creativity. You can install Angie from the WordPress repository. After it's installed, it's accessible from the top bar and from the WordPress menu, or in the Elementor editor. The first time you try using Angie, you'll be prompted to sign in with your Elementor account. If you don't have one yet, it's not a problem. You can create it at this stage. Once you do, you'll automatically get a free daily allowance of credits to use with Angie. Clicking Angie in the WordPress menu will take you to its homepage, where you can find a few examples and ready-to-go prompts to kickstart your creative thinking. Clicking any of these featured prompts starts a new chat with Angie and inserts the relevant instructions. Let's take a look at a few of those examples. You can use Angie to create a theme slider accordion, page transitions, or even a custom post type. You can also go ahead and start from scratch. Describe what you want in plain language, the same way you would communicate with a WordPress developer. You can chat with Angie in any language, English, French, Spanish. Angie understands it all. You're also not limited to typing. Show Angie a screenshot or paste a URL for reference. It understands your intent and turns it into something real. Every piece of code that Angie creates is fully yours. Edit it visually in the Elementor editor, refine it through conversation, or do both. You are always in control. And here's the best part. Everything happens first in a safe sandbox environment. Angie's test mode lets you preview, iterate, and refine your creation before anything touches your live site. No risk, no surprises. In the next demo, we'll walk you through building your first widget.